Roofing contractors use some pretty cool tech like infrared thermography and drone inspections to spot damage before it gets way out of hand. Okay, so here's the deal. Infrared thermography is like having superhero vision that can see heat differences, which helps find hidden moisture or leaks in your roof. Then you got drones, which fly over your roof and snap pics from angles you can't even reach without risking a nasty fall. Moisture meters are clutch for checking if parts of your roof are wet, which is a big red flag for damage. Ultrasonic testing is a bit more high-tech. It sends sound waves through materials to find cracks or weak spots you wouldn't see with your naked eye. And of course, nothing beats a good old visual inspection by a pro who knows what to look for. Combining these tools means contractors can catch problems early, saving you big bucks down the line. Plus, it makes repairs way less stressful since you know exactly what's up. One of the biggest mistakes roofing contractors make is skipping detailed inspections and relying only on what they can see with their eyes, which means stuff like moisture or internal damage gets missed. Fix? Use infrared thermography and moisture meters to get the full picture. Another common issue is not using drones for hard-to-reach roofs, risking safety and incomplete data. So, definitely bring in drone technology for a thorough check. Last up, some contractors ignore ultrasonic testing when they should be using it to detect structural issues early. The fix? Invest in ultrasonic tools so problems don't surprise you later with massive repair bills. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trustworthy local contractors who actually know their stuff. It also hooks up contractors with new clients looking for reliable pros, making it easier for both sides to connect and get the job done right.